Hi, and welcome to another episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today, I'm going to be doing a first start on my 1979 KZ1000 Shaft. It's a first start after doing a valve check, carburetor cleaning, and intake boot resealing on the bike. I've had this apart for about 3 weeks now, and just yesterday got everything put back together. And looking forward to riding it again. It's a real pleasure to ride, and so I'll let you hear it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on prime here, get some fuel in the carburetors, and we'll start it up. Alright, as you can hear, no bad noises, everything sounded good. I have just checked the air pressure in the tires before pulling the bike out of the garage, and we'll make sure everything is ready to rock. Go for a little bit of a ride and come back and let you know how it went. Unfortunately, on the test drive, my front cam cover over here, little rubber plug, they were Vesrah parts, and as soon as it got heated up, it just popped right out. When I got home and looked at the rear seal, it also popped right out. Just the design of these, even the factory parts, this wasn't an uncommon thing, but they only have a lip on the outside and really nothing holding them in the head of the bike. And so yeah, I'm just disappointed here, but you know, that is the thing about motorcycles and working on them. You know, I'm thankful I was able to double up my gloves and actually just plug this hole on the way home. It was only about 5 miles from the house when it happened, so got hot oil all over my leg. I knew instantly what had happened. Pulled over and, like I say, doubled up my gloves and just rode home with one finger covering that front hole. This one managed to hold in place until I got home, and it literally just popped out while I was trying to wipe off some of the oil here. Did get some oil on the bike. Thankfully, the oil level did not go down below the safe point. It only went down a little bit. So certainly no harm done to the engine or to the bike. If I had been further away, I would have had to call for a tow. But not everything goes 100% according to plan, and that's why I'll probably title this episode Patience, because that is something that is required when you own something and use it on a regular basis that's as old as these bikes are. So I will go ahead and get back in there. I'm going to have to just put everything all back together. I'll have to get back in there, take the tank back off, and figure out a way to put these plugs in so where they're not going to be popping out again. That's not acceptable. So I'll let you know what I do and how that fix works.